Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these N7 hand warmers. Let's see if we can open up this package. I don't know how it goes. Is there tape on it or something? I don't know. Okay, I guess I just have to rip it open. There we go. And so this is it here. So we open it up and see it together. Comes with a charging cable that is USB to USB-C. And here is the device. So look at this, it comes with its own little pouch to recharge. And then I'm gonna guess there's a plug right there on the side. So that's where I'll plug in my USB-C to recharge them. How cool is that? That it has that. And then open it up and look how cool these are. So these are them here. And they're fairly light, which is good. And let's try them on here. The first time here, I think I hold down the button to turn them on. Let's see. Yes, this one here turned on. I'm gonna guess I need to charge it probably. Oh no, this one turned on too. Oh man, that got hot fast. Okay, so I can feel it. It's getting hot on this side here. So it's the front, the back is not. And let's see. It looks like they have that magnet ability. Boy, that's a pretty tight magnet. So you can magnet them together if you need to. Boy, these are getting warm. That's pretty cool. So these are on one dot, and then it has two dots. I don't know if you can see there, it's two dots. 3 dots. So you can do up to 3 dots. So this one's on 3 dots and this is on 1 dot. So let's see if we can feel a difference too much on it. Let's see what the instructions say for it. And FYI, here's the instructions if you need them. You can probably pause it and zoom in. And same on that side. It looks like it even comes with a WhatsApp connectivity. So these are really warm now. I'm gonna say, I don't know which one's warmer. The 3 dots I would think would be warmer, but they're pretty similar right now. Let me see what it says on there. Yeah, it does have a temperature indicator. I think now the left one, this one here is way getting hotter now. This is the 3 dots. The 3 dots is getting hotter. So the more dots, the hotter it gets. And I'm even just holding my hand here, I would want to put it in something or something like that because that's pretty hot. Just to have it directly on your hands. That is pretty warm, but it works. It's really cool. And let me see, so I can push it again and it goes back down to 1. And then I think if I hold them down, yep, it turns it off. So that's kind of how it works. So you hold it down to turn it on, turn it off, and then when you're done, you can stick it back into here and then it'll charge. So here we go. So it looks like the case has a battery in it as well. So it'll be able to recharge on the go without plugging it in. So right now I am charging. It looks like I'm pretty well charged on that left one. Not sure why the right one's not charging. Maybe it only charges one at a time. But whatever, seems good. But very cool little device. And it's nice, you just stick this into your luggage and stuff when you bring it on the ski slopes. That's what I do. So thumbs up for sure. This is really cool. I like this, very nice.